To change the amount of fluid applied to each shirt, you can use the quick preset buttons located here at the top of the spray area, or manually enter in the amount of pretreatment you would like applied by pressing the box down here. Now, the numbers that are applied here reference how fast that the spray head moves. A lower number, such as 0, will allow the spray head to move as fast as possible and lay down as little pretreatment as possible. In addition, a number such as 100, the highest setting, will run the spray head as slow as possible and will apply the maximum amount of pretreatment to the shirt. These are only reference numbers for how fast the spray head moves. You must use the reference chart included with the Viper MAXX to correlate how fast the spray head is moving to the correct number of grams of pretreatment applied to the shirt under the default settings. Please note that if you change the steps of the spray head and how far it travels between each pass, or you change the height of the platen, that will affect the amount of pretreatment applied. To change the presets, you can simply go to Utilities and select Custom. And under the Custom Spray presets, we have the Fluid Laydown preset area, where you can change the number and the fluid laydown value here. If we don't want it to be a value of 12, but 20, we can change that, and you can see here that whites are now set to 20. We go back to the home page, whites are 20, we press it, and it changes to 20 here. Or you can manually change the amount of laydown simply by pressing the laydown numerical box and manually entering the value that you would like the spray head to move at. This is how you quickly and easily change the amount of pretreatment applied to a garment, as well as setting the custom presets for your own use.